If there's one thing that healthy people and active people, and those people you see at the gym, all have in common, it's that their breakfast usually comprises some variety of a big bowl of oatmeal and either egg and peanut butter. Welcome to the kitchen. It's Sunday morning, I am Busy Dad, and we are going to make a big bowl of oatmeal. Now, obviously, first step, oatmeal. I'm going to take this, dump this in the pot with water. Just going to boil this until it boils. It's going to be kind of all moving about in the pot. We're going to shut off the heat right away, cover it, and let the water absorb into this. Now these are whole grain oats. These are much healthier than quick cook oats. Quick cook oats are, yes, as the name implies, they will cook faster, but they're not as healthy for you because the carbohydrates will absorb into your bloodstream much more quickly. So this will give you fuel all day, and we're going to pump this up with an egg we're going to fry on the side. So here's this oatmeal just boiling up in this pot. It's just come to a boil, and we're just going to cover this and let it sit. Okay, we've got our nice looking bowl of oatmeal here. Not a huge bowl, kind of medium sized. I'm going to put a couple things on here. The first is a drizzle of honey. I love maple syrup too, but today, going with honey. Got our blueberries. And some crushed almonds. Alright, we've got our bowl of oatmeal here. It's not super big, it's kind of medium sized. And on top, we've got a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, some walnuts, some blueberries, and because I don't cook my oatmeal with milk, I like to put a big dollop of whole milk or cream on the top. I don't know about you, that looks pretty good. Let's give it a quick try. Maybe just this portion over here, some honey on it. It's very tasty. This is a great breakfast. I've got an egg coming up on the side. We could have with it some fresh fruit. And of course, a big cup of pour over coffee. Well, that's about it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Give me a like, subscribe, tell your friends about this. Tell me what you'd like to see on this channel so I can help grow it. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.